देव बरो दीस दिवं. सगल्यांक येवकार. सगल्यांचे आभारूय मानता, कित्याक हांवें राज्यसभा फायल केल्लें आहा आनीक इट इज ऑलरेडी more or less finalized because there is only one Rajya Sabha nomination. So this is my first press conference after filing the Rajya Sabha nomination. पयलो हांव एक सांगूं सोदतां की TMC पक्ष जो आहा हो एक गोंयचो पक्ष आनी सगळ्यां पयलें समजून घेवपाची गरज आहा आनी मानून घेवपाची गरज आहा. आयज आमी गोंयभर पळयल्लें आहा की गोंयांत खुबशे प्रश्न उप्रासले आहा. गोंयचो लोक त्रासां पडलो आहा आनी आयज म्हाका एक सांगपाक खूश भोगता की आमच्या पक्षान आनी आमच्या पक्षाच्या अध्यक्षान ममता दिदीन एक पयलीं पावल फुडें मारलां आनी हें म्हणजे गोंयचो आवाज, गोंयचे प्रश्न, गोंयच्यो अडचण्यो आमच्या देशाच्या पार्लमेंटांत पावपाक जाय. आनीक हांव आयच्या दिसाक म्हज्या नांवान गोवा TMCच्या नांवान आनी गोंयकारांच्या नांवान पयले सुवातेर तिचे आभार मानता आनी तिका देव बरें करूं म्हणटा. बिकॉज शी हॅज गिवन अ गोवन and a voice of Goa in the Indian Parliament. आता तुम्ही म्हटले की हे पहिले गोंयचे खासदार आमच्या देशाच्या पार्लमेंटांत आशिल्ले वा नाशिल्ले. हांव नको हो प्रश्न आनी हाचो जबाब तुमचे मुखार आहा. आनी हे म्हणल्यार फाटल्या 10-15 वर्सां गोंयचे प्रश्न जे आमच्या देशाच्या पार्लमेंटाक वचपा जाय आसले पावल नाय आनी देखून हे प्रश्न सुटावे जाल नाय. सादें उदाहरण, आयज गोंयांत एके वाटेन बेकारी आहा. आज गोंयांत म्हारगाय वाडिल्ली आहा. आज ह्या गोंयांत कोणूच खुशाल ना. गोंयकारांचे व्हडल्यांतले व्हडले प्रश्न म्हणजे गोंयचो लोक कोळसो नाका म्हणटा. हाचेर आमच्या देशाच्या पार्लमेंटांत हांवें कोणें आवाज केल्लो आयकलो ना. आज गोंयांत 60% लोक, द लायफ ऑफ 60% ऑफ द पीपल depends on the Made river. Made विकली. मादेचें उदक सगळें गोंय येतालें तें कर्नाटका पावयलें. तुमी गोंयकारांचो आनी म्हादेचो आवाज आमच्या देशाच्या पार्लमेंटांत आयकला ना. आयज गोंयची अर्थीक परिस्थिती काबार जाल्ली आहा. We are on an economic meltdown. We are on the death trap. इतली रीण काडलें गोंयच्या लोकांनी फारीक करपाक जावचें न्हय. कित्याक आज रीण काडटाय ती कालचें रीण फारीक करपाक ना जाल्यार जूर फारीक करपाक. हाचे वयर तुमी आमच्या देशाच्या पार्लमेंटान कितें तरी आयकलां ना. आयज खुबशे आनीक प्रश्न आहा आनी हे प्रश्न आजून पासून आमच्या देशाच्या पार्लमेंटान पावले ना. देखून हांव पयले सुवातेर आभार मानता ममता दिदीचे, कित्याक शी हॅज डिलिवर्ड. शी हॅज टेकन अ डिसिजन to take the problems, difficulties and the voice of Goa in the Indian Parliament. Not by sending one MP from Goa. You must be aware that the second largest opposition in the Indian Parliament is TMC. We will have nearly 40 MPs supporting the issues of Goa and Goans, and you will see on the first day of the Parliament on 29th of this month when the Parliament starts. आता कांय गोंयां गैरसमज जाल्लो आहा आनी कांय गोंयां गैरसमज लोक वाडयताय. हांव हाचेर व्हडलोसो उलोवपाक सोदना, पूण म्हाका दोन प्रश्न आज कांय लोकांनी काडले की Luisin Falero has taken a retirement benefit. हे कोण म्हणला? आनी हांवें कितें म्हणलें की लुइजिन फालेर काँग्रेसाचेर केन्ना आड उलोवपा ना, बिकॉज माय टार्गेट इज बीजेपी, माय फायट इज अगेन्स्ट द बीजेपी. बट तुमी जें सांगलें की लुइजिन फालेरो हॅज टेकन अ रिटायरमेंट बेनिफीट. दुसरो प्रश्न ते घालता हेच लोक की TMC is going to divide the secular vote. हांव हे दोनूच प्रश्नाचेर आज उलोवपाक सोदतां. लुइजिन फालेरो रिटायरमेंट बेनिफीट घेवपाक TMC भितर सरना आनी आमदार हे नात्यान राजीनामो दिलो ना. ओय 2017 जेन्ना काँग्रेस सरकार जावपा आसलो, आमच्या कांय खास सिनियर लिडरांनी हो सरकार व्हरून बीजेपीच्या हातान दिलो. म्हाका खूब दूख लागलें, कितें पयले फावट न्हू गोंयच्या लोकान लुइजिन फालेराक पयलोय आशिर्वाद दिवन सिंगल लार्जेस्ट मेजॉरिटी हाडली. तुमकां खबर आसतली, काँग्रेस सरकार केल्लो हे फावटी सिंगल लार्जेस्ट पार्टी आनी ते राती वी वर द सिंगल लार्जेस्ट पार्टी. पूण आमच्या सिनियर लिडरांनी जेन्ना काँग्रेसाचो सरकार जे गोंयच्या लोकांक गोंयकारांनी काँग्रेसाक दिल्लो तो व्हरून विकलो. And ते दिसाक I resigned from the presidency of the party. I refused to take over as a leader of the CLP, even though I was elected, not selected, with 13 votes to be the leader of opposition in Goa, but I refused. I reclined. I maintained my dignified silence in my suffering, and I had thought, yes, I will not open my mouth. But आज तरी हांवें परतून नवो जल्म घेतला जाल्यार एक कारणा लागून. आज गोंयच्या मळबार जे गीत भोंवतात, गीत म्हणून जाण मरे द ह्युमन वाल्चर्स, आनी आमच्या आवय आमच्या गोंयांक चोंचयतात. ताका फुडें कोंकणी सारको उतर शास्त्रीय उतर चोंचयतात, काबार करतात. हे गीत कोण? जे गिदांनी आमदारांचेर उद्योग आनी धंदो केलो, who made business and commerce out of the Congress vote, out of the election and selection of the Congress MLAs. कितले आमदार तुम्ही गेले आणि कितले आमदार तुम्ही विकले. The party which has sold 13 MLAs to BJP, and when they have sold 13 MLAs to the BJP, actually there were 15. You will come to know afterwards who were the 15. When they sold their MLAs to BJP, तांणी उद्योग आणि धंदो केलो आणि लोकांचो विश्वास, लोकांचे मोलादीक मत जे आहलें, गोंयकारांचें मत जें आहलें, that vote was not for BJP. That vote was against BJP. That vote was for Congress. And therefore we had that day a majority of MLAs. But who sold the MLAs? Who made business and commerce out of the MLAs and out of the vote of the party? This is the big question mark. आणि जे लोक म्हणटात आयज की we don't want to divide the secular vote. What are you talking of division? You are in wholesale and not only retail, you are in the wholesale business of not only selling the votes, not only dividing the votes, of selling the MLAs. So, आमकां अधिकार कसलो हा गोंयकारां मुखार वचपाक आनी गोंयकारांक सांगपाक की आमकां तुमचें मत दियाय म्हूण. तुम्ही लोकांच्या मतांचो उद्योग आणि धंदो केलो, who sold MLAs, what moral rights you have got to go back to the people and ask for the vote and tell the people don't divide a secular vote? These people are not the custodian of the secular vote. The custodian are the people. The people will have to decide. And I am saying today that TMC is not come here to divide the vote. TMC has put its footsteps on the sacred soil of Goa to ensure that Goans get a good voice in the parliament, Goans get a good governance, Goans get a good government which Goans richly deserve. Goans are asking for a change, and a credible change, whether it is BJP, whether it is Congress, or whether it is any other party. We don't want a Gujarat model. We don't want a Delhi model. We don't want any model, or we don't want a model from Bengal. We want a Goa model. And a Goa model will be when Goans decide it. And that is exactly Didi told me. Even this time when I went there, first she said there will not be high command. This time she said, see, we have selected you as a national vice president. We are sending you to the parliament because we know you will do justice and we know that you will get Goan soul, Goan ethos, Goan culture, Goan problems, Goan's difficulties on this, and that is what you are going to see. I am going to talk every time on गोंयकारांच्या conscienceaचो आवाज, the voice of Goan conscience. We are going to come out with the problems, difficulties of the people of Goa. We started already with the charge sheet. You wait. If there is any misunderstanding with any members of the press, I request you to come forward to me. You know me. Because Luisin Falero is not come for a retirement benefit. Luisin Falero is born again. Luisin Falero has got a blood, the same blood which was boiling. I don't know, many of you must be young. In 1980, when I took up the twin aspirations of Goa and Goans, I took up the issue of making our mother tongue the official language of Goa. And I didn't back down. I fought from the front. People of Goa supported us. They blessed us. They suffered the imprisonment, they suffered the lathi charges, they suffered the bullets, and some of them became martyrs. But we achieved official language. That was the agitation. ही एक चळवळ आली. दुसरी चळवळ केली गोंयकारांक घडक दिवपाक. Goans have suffered. People have suffered. But people supported for statehood. I fought for the environment, protection of trees bill. I fought for the employment of Goans in Goa. And I can proudly say it is me who brought the employment policy. There is no policy. And I have implemented 80% of the policy. And that is the reason today we have guaranteed 100% employment of Goans in Goa. We'll come with that further. I had also brought a policy that in private sector industries, 80% jobs to Goans. And I did it within the ambit of the constitution. Today, it is a new beginning. Today, the TMC has come here to fight for the Goan rights. TMC is going to live here. TMC will be part of Goa's movement, and not only till these elections. TMC will be here to ensure that Goans get a good governance. This is very, very important. Goans are given the voice in the parliament. The issues of Goa and Goans will not be alone of Goa. We will have the single largest opposition in the parliament, and we will ensure that the issues are articulated and settled. Many of the people ask me, why did you resign? Just like they ask me retirement benefit. You see, I'm very proud for having been nearly 40 years the representative of the people of Naveli constituency. Naveli constituency people has given me their blessings, their support. And I'm very proud of them. I'm very grateful to them. Even today, when I resign, actually it's a painful decision. I told you I wanted to resign much earlier, but then I thought they have given me their precious votes, so I will work for them. And I have really worked for them. I know that government is going through financial crisis, but the basic infrastructure like low roads, water supply, you may not have water supply here, but I will have water supply for Naveli for the next 10 years. There's no shortage of water supply. We brought 300, 600 mm water pipelines in Naveli. In fact, there is a problem of plenty. The new pipelines are engineered for 5 to 6 kg pressure. The moment we increase the pressure more than 2.5 kgs, the pipelines start bursting. We got so much of water. Nearly 100 and odd crores we have spent and spending for improving the electricity, power. We had only 6.3 megawatts, we have increased to now 56.3 megawatts, from 6.3 to 56. We have finished partly underground cabling. Partly underground cabling is tendered. So where we had few transformers, we are going to have another 103 new transformers. As far as electricity, as far as water, as far as the sewerage, as far as garbage, we are working hard, and by the end of my term, whatever work is in the pipeline will be finished. All roads will be hot mixed. Most of the roads are hot mixed. Electricity will be in place. As far as other infrastructure like sewage and garbage, in one panchayat I have put a garbage plant in housing board, which is difficulties. So I am very grateful to my people. I have never surrendered, never left them, but only those who are courageous and who has got a vision to fight will take such decisions. The meek and the cowards cannot give good governance to Goa. They can only make business and commerce out of the votes of the people and out of the MLAs which they get elected on their party. I think I have spoken too much. Now I will be expecting you to ask me questions on this, but I am telling you from today, whatever has happened in the past, you please forget, excuse me. If there's any problem, come forward to me. Because that is what Didi has told me. You are in charge. And I will fight. In whatever way, with your blessings, with your support, and with your cooperation. So anything is there, we will amend it, we will correct it. We want a robust opposition and we want a robust media. And for that, our party objective is to give a voice to the opposition, give a voice to the people, and the only way you can give a voice to the people is through the media.
Okay, how do you see that TMC and endorsement in mining through Goenchi Mafia?
Can I tell you something? Take it straight forward. TMC is for the resumption of sustainable and legal mining and as early as possible. This is number one. If you want, I'll repeat it. TMC is strongly in support of starting a sustainable and legal mining as early as possible. And when I say as early as possible, I have got in front of my eyes, in front of me, the mining affected people, the mining affected Goans who have been suffering, who have been in trouble. And we want to reach out to the mining affected people as early as possible. And it is possible. We have to take action, and we will take action after consulting all the stakeholders, and we are doing it right now. We are not going to wait for it. After consulting the people who have got knowledge of it, after consulting the financial consultants, because we don't want Goa to be in the death trap. Goa is not poor, I have always said. Goa is one of the richest states. So we want to bring Goa back on this, and we will take care of it. And you will soon, very soon you will see it. Our policy and how we want to help the mining affected, how we want to restart, because mining had been the backbone of the Goa's economy once upon a time. And we want to have this backbone not finished. Who destroyed mining? Who said all mining is illegal? Who stopped mining? Who put the mining affected people on the roads? And why did you do it? Supreme Court is very clear. They said you start the mining as early as possible. No authority in this country has stopped mining. It is the Goa government and the people who were in this are the people responsible for stopping the mining in the state of Goa.
How do you see that the Goa mining should be with government or by the people?
Have you heard or read the Supreme Court decision, not only in Goa but also on other mining? Have you heard it, read it? It's very simple. Who runs the mining is not important. But mining wealth is the wealth of the people of Goa. And this wealth must come to the people of Goa. What is the modus operandi? We will discuss the stakeholders. We will discuss the people who are in the know of it, and we will take a decision in the interest of Goa, interest of mining, and interest of the mining affected people.
Just clarify on this statement. I don't know whether from whom it has come. Whether you want only to be in Rajya Sabha, or you will also be at the same time contesting in Goa.
I'm happy you asked that question. I have said Luisin Falero has not come here to take the retirement benefit. Luisin Falero has been a fighter. There are many young journalists, and I always admire when I see young journalists. But the older journalist has seen Luisin Falero in 1980. You have seen me. I led from the front to make Konkani the official language, to fight for statehood, to fight for employment. People today are promising the sky and the moon and the jobs and this. But we are not going to give empty promises. So Luisin Falero has come to fight here. Fight for Goa, Goa's right. and my blood is the same which was in 1980. It is a movement I have started after leaving everything, and I will leave this movement in the interest of the people, for the people, by the people, and of the people. Whether I have to fight on the street or fight in an assembly, I will take a decision in the interest of the people of the state of Goa and interest of the people of my constituency.
But you have not answered the correct question. What I am saying is that whether you will still remain in Rajya Sabha once elected, or you will come back to go and contest assembly and be here. What exactly?
I have already told you.
सत्य आणि सारखं सांगत नाही.
ना ते सारखें तुमकां समजोवपा ना. You will have to wait and see how the die is cast, how we are going to start the campaign, and how we are going to lead the campaign, so that people are saying, what happened to the TMC? They started like this, now they are on a plateau, correct? We are not on the plateau. We are moving around, we are meeting people. You may not like the modus operandi we are adopting. You may say that this and so and so, so and so, but we have got intelligent people, intelligence agency. They may have made mistakes, but they are one of the best intelligence agencies in the country who are giving us feedback, who are giving me the feedback. And very soon we will have a own Goa Trinamool Congress Executive Committee who will be taking decisions. Today the onus is on me. But that decision which you are asking, I will ask my colleagues. I will ask the people. And mind you, you will be shocked and surprised of my decision. But 29th you will see all the issues. Which are the issues? Coal. Goyan course kone hallo. 3 linear projects. देखून हांवें म्हणलां मुगेल दुसरें जें आहाय तें गोंयकारांच्या कॉन्सियन्साचो आवाज स्टार्ट जातलो आनी तुमकां आयकोंकूय मेळटलो, बिकॉज आय विल द वन हू विल बी ब्रिंगींग टू यू. कोडसो कोण हाडलो? 3 लिनियर प्रोजेक्ट्स कोण हाडले? म्हादय कोणी विकली? अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट करपाक कारण कोण? मायनींग कोणें बंद केलें? आनी कितें आहाय जायत आहाय न्हू तें पयर बरयलें न्हू तें. तुमकां वेळ वयतलो, बट यू विल सी इट व्हेरी सून. And this will find in my maiden visit to the Indian Parliament. Goans have never seen Goans' voice in the Parliament, but this time Goans will see the Goans' voice in the Parliament, because we have got the second largest opposition party, and we will talk in one voice.
But when you talk in the Parliament, will it be only Louisine along with TMC, or it will be Louisine, Sardine, Tendulkar, Shripad Naik, especially when you talk about Goa?
फाटले 20 वर्सां आवाज येल ना बाबा. तू केलो जाल्यार म्हाका खबर ना, and I am not holding a power of attorney for them.
No, I'm not saying that. I'm talking in the interest of Goa.
No, interest of Goa, anybody and everybody who wants to join TMC in articulating the problems, difficulties, and the main problems of the state of Goa, they are welcome if they have got love and affection for the people of Goa and concern for the people of
To
Goa.
join TMC or to join the issue?
Issue. TMC in the parliament, I said.
Yeah.
Upper house.
Upper house and lower house also. Why?
You are in upper house.
I may be in upper house, but we are the single largest opposition, second largest opposition
Both
in the
put
country.
together?
Huh?
Both MPs put together.
Yeah.
So Goa
And we are most vocal opposition. Huh? Quantity is not important, the quality is important.
Since you said you are almost to be declared unopposed as Rajya Sabha MP.
I didn't say. I said I have filed my nominations.
Yeah.
No other political party has filed the nominations. The last day of filing is over. The scrutiny is over. Now the
Official announcement.
I am awaiting the official announcement by the Election Commission of
How
India.
long, since this is by-election, how long will be your tenure?
I don't know, but definitely around 5 years. Because you see, Mamta Didi, see her commitment to Goa. She made her own colleague resign so that Goa gets a representation in the parliament. That is called sacrifice. And that is the message I am carrying with her. Last elections in Bengal, every day we were getting stories that so many people from TMC are joining BJP. The media was, it's a psychological warfare. So they said that so many people are this and so many people are leaving TMC. TMC was dying, was going to lose. Even I thought after seeing the media coverage in the last Bengal elections. But today I am carrying one message. The crowning glory of Didi's fight against the BJP juggernaut is her fight sitting on a wheelchair and getting the victory. Please quote this. The crowning glory of Didi's fight against the BJP juggernaut, and whether it is income tax, enforcement directorate, CBI, and कौन हरते हैं सब central agencies and whatever it is. The crowning glory is Didi's fight when she defeated the BJP juggernaut sitting on a wheelchair. She doesn't want us even this message. She said Goa should be governed and ruled by Goans. So what you will see for the coming days will be the Goa model, not Delhi model. Have you seen Delhi model? Have you been to Delhi? I had gone one day. You can't breathe there.
I'm listening to Kejriwal.
Even if you use those air purifiers, they cannot do the job. You see the rivers, they are holy rivers of India. You cannot put your leg there, yeah.
Sir, you spoke about West Bengal juggernaut. What is the juggernaut that
West Bengal juggernaut bana hai. BJP juggernaut.
BJP juggernaut. So what is the thing that Louisin can do to change or do everything that TMC?
Louisin cannot do anything. Louisin has to be honest. Louisin has to be sincere. And Louisin Falero will have to hear the voices of the people of Goa. Louisin Falero will have to see the sufferings of the people of Goa. Louisin Falero will have to see the sufferings of the educated unemployed in Goa. Louisin Falero will have to see the sufferings of the women. Therefore, my ex-MLA, by Feral Furtad, is sitting with me because they are talking of Ram Raja, but Ram Raja we will have to give, where we will have to ensure that all this suffering is over. We will ensure that there is law and order. We will ensure there is a safety to the women. We will ensure that we finish the unemployment. We will ensure that there is a prosperity, and we will have to ensure that our boys and girls who are leaving Goa abroad for employment, they are brought back and Goa becomes prosperous, well administered, well governed state in the country. I have replied you. You are only asking me questions and then you are not listening to my
I
reply.
have understood, sir.
सर every time केजरीवाल is visiting Goa, कुछ तो कुछ promise कर रहा है. कैसे देख रहे हैं आपके गोवा के लोग तो promise कर रहे हैं कितना चार promise किया है. How are you seeing this?
I am not Kejriwal.
I know sir.
So I won't give promises of Kejriwal. I am Louisin Falero, and mind you, for the last 40 years, whatever promises I have given, I have fulfilled it. And whatever promises I can give, I will give. They are saying free water. I'm only feeling bad because time is running out and you should not use. You see, God has given us 120 inches of rainfall. Who are they to give us free water? God has given us free water. But 60% of the people in the state of Goa are not getting drinking water. Understood? So I'm going to talk on this subject another time because I said, Goenkarancha Konsiesacho Awaz, the voice of the conscience of the people of Goa. Wait and watch. Every week I'll be coming with something concrete. You can ask me questions because whenever I make a promise, you can tear me to pieces and take an explanation. And if I don't give explanation, then I'll withdraw my promise. You understand? Because promises must be promises. When I was a small student, my mother used to tell me, a promise breaker is a shoemaker. I don't want to call them anything.
कभी आप कांग्रेस में था ना वो टाइम आशा रखा था कि राज्यसभा में मैं बैठूंगा कांग्रेस में
Can I tell you something? Politics is not static. Politics is dynamic. Politics is not meant for the faint-hearted. Politics is meant for the bold and courageous who has got a vision, who has got a mission, and who has got a... You see, you must have a wisdom to plan and courage and determination to execute what you plan. That is what I represent here, and that is what I have always represented for the last 40 years before the people of Goa.
So what about how you've seen on Delhi Central Congress leader Rahul Gandhi and Sonia Gandhi as the presence?
They are my friends. They continue to be my friends. And they will see the difference in Luis Falero then and now. Luis Falero did not sit idle there. Luis Falero was in charge of northeastern states. I brought twice Congress governments in Meghalaya, twice in Mizoram, twice in Arunachal, Manipur, even in Karnataka. What has happened there? 187 MLAs of Congress party are sold to BJP for the last 2 years. We will not allow. I have said this. आमी उद्योग आणि धंदो करपा येल ना हिंगा. आमदारांक विंकपाक आनी आमदारांक घेवपाक. जे लोकांनी आमदारांचेर उद्योग आनी धंदो केला तेंकां हे मुखार गोंयकारां मुखार वचपाक कसलोय अधिकार ना आनी तेमी घरा बसून रावचें आनी तेमी फरेंच म्हणल्यार रिटायरमेंट प्लॅन. So much his passion, his mission to work for the people, and he has been doing a wonderful job. I am happy that he has chosen to join this movement which started in Goa just 45 days back, 1.5 months back, and it is taken off vertically and it will go further vertically. He has joined because he has also got that passion, that mission and that objective which TMC has got for Goa and for Goans. I think I should not talk much, but I welcome you. Looking forward for your active involvement, commitment, contribution. We have got a shining examples in front of us of Mamta Devi. I just now said her crowning glory is when she fought against the BJP juggernaut sitting on a wheelchair in spite of being handicapped. But you are robust, you are strong, you have got a solid social work, social service behind you. So I will be requesting you to give your thoughts in front of the press.
Yeah. Good afternoon to my press friends, to Mr. Luis Falero, Mario, Yatish and Ferrer. I am a citizen of Goa who loves my Goa and will do anything for Goa. And
Good.
with my activities of being in the social field, doing a lot of good for Goa, trying to save the environment, and I've done a lot. It's all on my Facebook account, whatever I've done since 2015. But I am here because I see hope in TMC, in Mamta Didi and my brother Leander, and I want Leander to take Goa forward at international levels, and I'm sure with him being around, with Luisin's guidance and all the people coming forward, Goa will shine and we'll have a new Goa. This is the beginning, and Goa has to be, as we all know, Goa is unique and it has to remain unique, and the culture that Goa has, the traditions and everything possible, that we have to maintain it at all costs. So I wish Mamta Didi, who has set foot here, Leander, brother who is also being in Goa, to project us into a international. We are internationally known, there's no doubt about it. But now we are going to put systems in place, and I'm sure with Mamta's experience and Leander playing on the international field, things will happen. And we together, all of us together, it's a call to many other Goans who want a bright future for their children today and future generations. They should come forward, because we have seen a lot of mess happening in all other political parties. There's nothing straightforward coming. It is all said and forgotten. So with TMC in Goa setting a foot, I'm sure things will happen.
Recently you have joined, I think, Congress, Recently, I think. Hardly 2 weeks. I don't think so.
No, I was in Congress as General Secretary for the last 2 years. at the time of Girish's elections, when he stood for MP, right? What is that? Member of Parliament? Yeah. So from then, we were working for him. And Pororim, which didn't have 3,000 votes, we made it 7,000. You know, that was because of myself and Shankar Fatte. We led Pororim. And we gave results. But you know what's happening in Congress? They say one thing and they next moment they change over, you know.
Now what made you to leave the Congress and join the TMC?
As you all know, you all have seen the news. You all know what's happening. You all know the guys are reporting it. Okay, you all know the truth, but the truth is not being brought forward, right? Why the Congress people? They say something, and they then back out. You know, so it's not right what they are doing. Also, if they say, like I'll say one thing: Rahul Gandhi made a statement: no defectors and traitors should be brought in. And what's happening? They are negotiating with the same people, so it's not right. You are fooling the
One
goals.
more thing is that you said something nice, saying that I along with my brother Leander and all, that we will work together for the state. Do you feel at the same time your brother like Glenn Ticklow has not done anything, and that he has almost gone to the Dala with the Southern Kaba?
See, me and my brother, we don't talk politics. I'm a businessman, he's a businessman.
Brother, because you said
I don't step into his shoes, he doesn't step into my shoes. Okay, so I know what I'm doing and he knows what he's doing.
Principle of coexistence.
People of Aldona know what he has done, and if they find him to be done well for himself, I'm sure they will give a reply.
against him?
Will you campaign
Are
against
you
him?
going
I
to
will
sit
campaign
against-
for the party,
No,
for
party
TMC.
where? In which
If-
constituency?
All over Goa. All over
Also
Goa.
in
If
Kolkata?
Sorry?
TMC
Of course, all over Goa.
Sir, if TMC gives you a ticket to contest in Algona, will you go to contest?
First, I must want a ticket, right?
You don't
If
want
I
a
accept
ticket.
the ticket,
You don't
then
want
I
a
will.
ticket.
If I don't want a ticket, why should
So
I?
you don't want a ticket?
I'm not saying if they give me a ticket and they see I'm the best among the rest, I will.
So a politician always speak on ifs and buts.
See, I have no ifs and buts. I'm a straightforward guy. And I have no skeleton in my cupboard, so I can take on anybody. Simple.
अरे त्याने मागील ना
I am
जाल्यार
na mare ticket demand bole na. Of course I will campaign.
They want to know if offered a
They
ticket.
will do you.
No.
If and buts,
If doesn't come, he doesn't
don't
ask
come.
for it.
So
No,
which constituency would you prefer?
that he will decide.
If
he's good, we'll give
see,
him. If he's
my
good.
base is Pororim, my base is Saligaon. I have a choice. Let the people decide. Simple.
If why we are saying few days back we were thinking if Luisin Falero might be given a Rajya Sabha ticket, I agree with you. If
They were not. If
no,
and
some
buts.
fake example, clear channel.
No, but see,
So
Mr.
if Wilbur Ticklow might
No,
be given-
1 minute, I'll tell you. I never expected Luisin Falero to be appointed as the national vice president. It was a pleasant surprise for me. At the same time, when somebody confers all that I have been general secretary of the ICC. When they put so much of responsibility, you have to perform. And the more I think of it, the more charged I am. Now suddenly, the bolt from the blue has come. I never expected because we are just 1.5 months old, no bhai?
Yes.
Till the time
44 days.
44 days. Within 44 days,
Luisin Babu-
you see, we are talking to a very robust and very important media. You see, with
Luisin Babu-
confidence,
Luisin Babu-
not with doubts.
Luisin Babu-
With confidence that we have come here to stay, we'll establish here, and we will be there the future for the state of Goa and for the people of Goa.
Goa comes first. Remember that.
Yeah.
No matter what, Goa
Yeah.
is first. And Ami Goenka, unique. We are unique.
That's what I said,
in the
we are not
country.
here.
We are within a country. We are country within a country. Keep this in mind.
No, but if Goa comes first for everybody of y'all, why y'all need to change every now and then from here? My Kodanti, unka fahad ekun part.
If you don't mind, I'll reply.
Yeah,
No,
please.
I'm just saying.
आम्ही हिंगा अजूनपासून आमदारांचो आणि लोकांचो विश्वासाचो आणि लोकांच्या मोताचो उद्योग आणि धंदो केलो ना आणि जे लोकांनी फाटले 10 वर्सां उद्योग आणि धंदो केला बिकॉज उद्योग आणि धंदो कसो somebody wants to sell the MLAs and somebody wants to buy the MLAs. This is not a question of division of secular votes. Here it is a retail and wholesale of the secular votes.
Business.
Welcome,
Yes,
Very
of course.
true.
Thank you.
हे मातशें लावड असली हांव मॅसेजान
Thank you.